You may have painted with alcohol inks on canvas only to discover that the paints don't flow freely. The canvas absorbs the paint incredibly fast, and it can be so disappointing when you end up with a painting that you hate. Trust me, I get it. Hey, I'm Jenna Webb. I am an abstract painter who specializes in alcohol inks on oversized canvas. I've gotten a boatload of questions on my painting process over the last few years, and now I'm revealing all of my secret methods in my new online course, Alcohol Inks on Canvas. If you're not yet creating canvas ink paintings that you're really proud of, you could be using the wrong materials, or you could be approaching your painting entirely wrong. But you don't have to do it the hard way. Painting should always make you feel connected to your magic, and you should feel zen. And that's exactly why I created the Alcohol Ink on Canvas course. It is jam-packed with my methods and a lot of my secret weapons and shortcuts so that you can stay connected to your magic and grow as a painter. This course is for you if you want to adopt a painting process that saves you time and money, learn my secret weapons to priming canvas for alcohol ink painting, learn my method to make ink flow better on canvas, and become a better painter with stronger compositions. Click the link right now to sign up for the course, so you can learn everything there is to know about alcohol inks on canvas, from sourcing materials for less, to painting big, beautiful canvas paintings, to even learning how to wire and safely ship your paintings to galleries and customers. This course is 100% online with videos that you can complete at your own pace, and it's available at a special price for a limited time only. If you're ready to graduate from 2D Yupo paintings to a big, beautiful canvas, then click the link right now to sign up during the special. I cannot wait to share this with you.